In the dynamic and demanding food and beverage industry, operating in silos can slow you down and lead to inaccurate data, downtime, higher labor costs, poor customer experiences, and lower margins. Aptean's comprehensive solution supports all aspects of your business, from recipe development to production and beyond, providing real-time insights into resources, assets, and performance at every step, giving you a competitive edge. With our purpose-built ERP software as your single source of truth, you will have improved data accuracy as well as industry-specific capabilities for recipe management, bidirectional traceability, expiration management, quality and compliance control, and more. Get to the market faster, streamline product development, and manage compliance with Aptean PLM for centralized product documentation, allergen management, and label creation. Realize your production's full potential with Aptean OEE. Monitor your production lines in real time, identify opportunities for continuous improvement, and pinpoint production issues as they happen. Minimize downtime with preventive maintenance plans, schedule work orders, and manage assignments efficiently with Aptean's EAM solution. Streamline operator activities, track materials throughout production processes, and accurately calculate your energy expenses with Aptean MES. Leverage powerful business intelligence capabilities with Aptean BI, which tracks over 300 food and beverage KPIs so your business can easily find the data it needs. Embrace the future with a best-in-class solution that streamlines your entire food and beverage business, delivered from a single vendor that offers comprehensive functionality. Request a demo of Aptean's solution today.